Walmart app. Support response times can vary, depending on the issue, the support channel you use, and the details needed to fix your account or order problem. By the end, you'll know what usually affects Walmart app support response times, what information to prepare, and how to make your request easier for support to handle. The fastest way to get help is to provide complete details when you contact Walmart support. Include the issue you are seeing, the device you use, the steps that caused the problem, and any error message shown in the app. Clear information helps support understand whether the problem involves the app, your account, payments, orders, or another service. For app problems, start with basic troubleshooting before contacting support. Close and reopen the Walmart app. Check for updates in your app store, and make sure your internet connection is working. These steps can fix temporary app problems without waiting for a support response. If the issue involves an order, check your Walmart account first. Review the order status, payment details, pickup or delivery information, and any messages connected to the order. Having this information ready prevents delays because support does not need to ask for basic order details. For account issues, make sure you can verify your account information. Support may need account details to confirm ownership before making changes. The support channel you choose can also affect how you receive help. Use the available Walmart support options and select the option that matches your problem, such as app issues, account problems, or order questions. If you already submitted a support request, avoid creating multiple requests for the same issue. Multiple tickets can make it harder to track the original problem. Instead, keep your ticket information and add new details to the existing request if needed. Before contacting support, write down what happened in order. Include when the problem started, what you tried, and what result you received. The main points are simple. First, response times depend on the type of problem and the information provided. Second, basic troubleshooting can solve some app issues without support. Third, detailed requests help support review your problem faster. Your next step is to collect your account, order, and error details before reaching out. If this guide helped you understand Walmart app support, like the video and subscribe for more practical troubleshooting guides.